Scotty,
Yeah.
you cleaning up nicely, carefully, getting all the schmutz off?
Well, I mean, it's pretty bad when you can just go and it's gone.
Yeah, you're just brushing off all the schmutz.
Well, that's the good part is there's no chemicals, so I don't take any chances of damaging the irreplaceable piece. But I have to get as much of the old stuff off, and then I'll just do a damp cloth or something to...
Ooh, look at all that schmutz.
Oh, yeah, it's all over the place.
It gets everywhere. So you got to handle that. And then, I see you have your templates laid out.
Yeah, I got template laid out. We've got...
You've got one little piece made.
We got the first piece cut, which goes
That's that little,
here.
yeah, the little C-pillar piece.
So that's all tagged, and then we're keeping everything. So one of two, here's the small piece that we just did. Here's the piece that's over there
The
drying.
one that you did this morning.
So there's that piece. Now once I get this template made and cut on here, I'll bag this up and it'll be number 3. So I'm not taking any chances, because if anything down the road happens, whether it's with us or 5-10 years from now, and they want to see the original, we still have it.
Yeah, you
So
could
we'll make sure
actually
that
put all those bags in a little box,
Yep.
put them in the trunk, send them with the car.
Wash up again. I've washed my hands and arms probably 15 times already today. But I'm very proud of myself. That came out really good.
Yes, it did.
So
Yes,
now
it
I've got to
did.
get that cleaned up. Yes, I'm stressed, but
It's okay. We're gonna take a little break now. You and I. We're gonna go do a little something on a Country Squire.
yeah.
Then we'll be back, and we'll go from there.
So my goal for today, if all goes well, I'll have this piece wrapped, and then it can sit. I want them to sit for 24 hours complete, that I know everything's nice and dry and it's tight, and I can move it and pop it back into place.
So then this time tomorrow, you might be reassembling.
Then, yeah, I want it as close to 24 hours as possible, which
Okay.
I know this stuff dries in, yes, I'm getting old.
Do you need Jimmy to read that? He's not.
No,
80.
I've got it. Thank you, though.
Maybe you should
Yeah,
just,
so we've got 24 hours. So I was right. I was speculating at 24, so it's 24 hours, which is good.
very careful.
So we'll get this one wrapped, I hope, today. Put it off on the side. Once that's been, it's 24 hours. I'll put it in. Well, I'm sorry, I'll put it in.
Put it
I'll
in.
this side back together, and then I'll disassemble the driver's side. I'm trying to keep the least amount of stress on that on that headliner as possible, because I don't want anything sagging or getting bad spots if it's got too much pressure taken off of it. So,
Gotcha.
but yeah, we're getting there. Give me time, I'll get that wiped down, get my template made, we'll be good. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, and Lee Iacocca, if you're ever watching, which I know you're not, but
Well, he's dead, so.
yeah, we're taking good care of her, I promise.